Hey loves, I'm back with another drawing video. So if you're not familiar, the most common question I get is how do I get better at drawing, or how do I get better at painting? And I always tell people to practice and journal everything that you do. Try to draw every other day or paint every other day so that you can go back and reflect on how your skills are improving or what you should do to change it. So I'm bad at drawing, and that's why I'm mainly doing a series of drawing skills and showing you guys my mistakes. I have no idea if these drawings are ever going to turn out right. I'm scared, but I'm doing it, and I'm just sharing it with you guys. So recently I've done a live video, and I've told my supporters that if you are a new follower, I will give you some free art. And this person requested Jimi Hendrix, so I was excited to actually do this. They're going to receive a digital drawing of this, and then the original will be available in my shop. So let's see how this goes. So in the beginning of this video, I showed you that I purchased a brand new pencil set, a Stedler set. I hope I'm saying that right, because the original photo has a really bold black darkness to it, and I wanted the same to show on my drawing. But little did I know, when I opened up the pack and started to draw, my pencil kept breaking, and I looked at it and I realized it wasn't even lead, it was chalk. So I was drawing with charcoal the whole time. So when you draw with charcoal, I can't even say it right, but you need to draw with the right paper, or else the chalk will not grasp onto the page too well, and that's why everything seems a lot more lighter than the original photo. So I was highly disappointed. I was kind of frustrated. I tried to pull it off. I did my best, but when I posted online, I got some positive feedback, so it seems like you guys like it anyways, which I'm happy. But yeah, if you guys are interested in the original, again, it's in my online shop. Feel free to comment and let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys on my next drawing video. Bye.